root 5 plus root 3, root 5 minus root 3. Rationalize the denominator into root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3. Root 5 into root 5, we get root 5 whole square plus into plus root 3 into root 3 whole square divided by root 5 into root 5 whole square minus into plus minus root 3 into root 3 whole square. Root 5 whole square plus root 3 whole square, we can write it as root 5 plus root 3 whole square divided by 2 and root cancel, 5 remains, 5 minus 3. Root 5 plus root 3 whole square, you can write it as using identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. In place of a, we can write root 5 whole square plus b square means root 3 whole square plus 2 root 5, b means root 3 divided by 5 minus 3 means we get 2. In this 2 and root cancel, only 5 remains, plus 2 and root cancel, plus 3 plus 2 root 5 into root 3, we get root 15 divided by 2. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 root 15 divided by 2. In this we taken 2 as a common, 2 4s are 8 plus root 15 divided by 2. 2 cancel, we get 4 plus root 15 is our final answer. Thank you for watching.